Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, now I would like to give the answers and solutions for the assignment 1 for the data analytics and Python for the course of NPTEL Swayam. So, this is the very first assignment actually. The last date given here it is February 2nd, and today it is February 6th. So, these are the answers as per my knowledge I have given. So, let us see the answers first. Number one statement: descriptive analytics is the conventional form of business intelligence and data analysis. Is it true or false? Actually, it is true. So, the answer here it is given as true. And now coming to the second question, which of the following is not an example of predictive analytics? So given in the four options, bar graph is not the example of predictive analytics. So I have selected this one. Now coming to the third one, we have to mark it as true or false. So data can be numerical and categorical but cannot be continuous and discrete. There is no rule that data can only be numerical and categorical. It can be of any type. So the statement is false. Now coming to the question number 4. Which of the following is not an example of ratio data? Height can be measured as ratio, age, weight, all these are the continuous data and the ratio data. So whereas year cannot be measured as the ratio data. So this year is not an example of the ratio data. Right. Now coming to the question number 5. Which of the following is a command to have a message appear on the screen is nothing but print command. So I have given here is print. Now what is the output from the print function? Here it is $100, $200, $300, count dollar. So $100, $200, $300, count $5, 10, and this. For this the answer is given as 310. Okay. So median is not applicable to, normally it is not applicable to nominal. And now coming to the question number 8. True or false? Data can be generated by machines but not the humans. False. Data can be generated by humans also. Which one of the following is not a classification of data analytics? Deceptive analytics is not a classification of the data analytics. So coming to the question number 6. For getting second, fourth and seventh row of the data file df in Python programming, we can write the answer is 247 we need to get. So here it's not given, so none of the above is the answer. So these are the answers for the week 1 assignment. The first one is true, second one is bar graphs, and third one is false, fourth one is year, fifth one is print, and coming to the sixth one it is 310, seventh one nominal, and eighth one is false, ninth one is deceptive analytics, and 10th one is none of the above. These are the answers for the week 1 assignment. So in the next video we will see the week 2 assignment. So if at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all. Thank you.